Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today's Tuesday, March 15th. Let's find out what's on our Number Corner calendar. We noticed that yesterday the clock had 8:30 on it. Let's see what's on the clock today. Can you see that? It says 9 o'clock. So to move from 8:30 to 9 o'clock, we have to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes of time has gone by to move from 8:30 until 9 o'clock. Let's count our days in school and add another day. Oh boy. Our number is growing. We are now on day 117. Amazing, amazing. 117. So we'll go ahead and change our numbers to 117. Again, you notice each day, I not only change the number, but I change the number word and the math facts to show 117. I will also add one more cube to show 100 plus 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more cubes, 117. And then, my dears, we are going to go to our dimes, nickels, and pennies collection because we need to add more coins to our collection. Whoa, do you see that? Another day where we have 2 dimes. So we'll add 2 dimes to our collection so far for this week. That means we have a total of 4 dimes all together. Very cool. Very cool. And again, you know I'm going to do this each day until we see it more and more and more. I'll put the 9s together. All of those are 9s. I'll put the 4s together here. Let's see what else we have. A 3! Another 3 here, but we can do this. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then we can take that and turn it around, of course. 7 plus 3 equals 10. We can then take 10 minus 3 equals 7, or turn it around some more and say 10 minus 7 equals 3. We literally turn the number around to show what's in the front is in the back and so on. For today, I do need my All-Stars to pull out your math books. I know you're saying, we're using these math books a lot, Mrs. Graham. That's why we have them. Get lots of practice. Today, you are going to pull out your math book that has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. And you're going to turn it to page 51. Page 51. Once you turn it to page 51, you are going to follow along as we are with our activities, and we are going to have Tad jump on the number line. First, Tad is going to start at the number 100. That's where he's going to start. And then we're going to have him hop by ones until he reaches the end of the number line. So let's do that. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. You should be drawing these lines in your own book as well. As we continue to talk more about numbers, you are going to trace over all of the numbers. 100, 100, and then 101. You notice how it's just 3 numbers. You don't write 4 numbers to say 101. It's 3 numbers. 101. And you're going to continue to trace over all of the numbers that are here, 102, until you get all the way down to this last number, 109. Then you're going to be asked the question, what is the number that comes after 109? So if you're counting 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, that last number should be 110. So don't forget, finish tracing over all of these numbers. We just counted together to realize 110 is the number that comes after 109. And it says, how many days is a century and a decade? Ooh. Now, a century, just so you're aware, a century is 100 years. 100 years is a century. And a decade is 10 years. So they're asking you, that's a lot. That's a lot. In years, it would be 100 plus 10. In years, it would be 100 plus 10, which is 110. Now, they put the word days here. I don't know if they meant to do that or not, but there are 365 days in 1 year. And if you're talking about 100 years plus a decade, that's a lot. That's a lot. Believe it or not, that would be a really big number. Are you ready for it, all stars? We'll do this and then we'll be closing out our math time. 365 days times 100 years is equal to 36,500 days. Plus, remember, we still have to add on the decade of 10 years. Plus 3,650. Which gives us, are you ready for this? 1 century and 1 decade, if we were counting by days, would equal, ooh, it's a big number, 40,150 days. A lot of days. A lot of days. Great work today, All Stars. Very proud of you. Off you go.